Hello students, today we are going to understand dark reaction of photosynthesis. In previous video, we have seen light reaction of photosynthesis. Light reaction takes place in grana part of the chloroplast. Now, dark reaction takes place in stroma part of the chloroplast. Dark reaction because it do not depend on light. It is also called C3 cycle because the first stable compound produced in the Calvin cycle is 3 carbon component phosphoglyceric acid. That is why 3 carbon containing compound, which is the stable compound, it is called C3 cycle. Again it is called Calvin cycle because Melvin Calvin has found this cycle. So C3 cycle or Calvin cycle or dark reaction, all these things are same. Dark reaction takes place in stroma. In light reaction, we have seen that two product develops in the light reaction, that is ATP and NADPH2. Both the ATP and NADPH2 get utilized in dark reaction. Here we have seen that dark reaction is cyclic reaction. What is this cyclic reaction means? The first compound again utilized in the cycle, it change in the cycle, it forms some another compound and the previous substance again regenerate. This is called cyclic. Thus something moves in a cycle. So the cycle starts from here. The first step is 6 molecule of ribulose 5-phosphate already present in stroma. So in stroma of the chloroplast there is already ribulose 5-phosphate is formed, which is 5 carbon sugar. 6 molecule of ribulose 5-phosphate. Ribulose 5-phosphate means ribulose is the 5 carbon sugar and on the 5th carbon there is a phosphate. Ribulose 5-phosphate that is already present in the stroma. This ribulose 5-phosphate turns into ribulose 1/5 diphosphate by using ATP. ATP utilize and form ADP and ribulose 5-phosphate turns into ribulose 1/5 diphosphate. 1/5 diphosphate, here the 5th carbon contains 1-phosphate molecule. Now the first carbon of ribulose sugar or again it received 1-phosphate, that is why 2-phosphate molecule attached with the ribulose on the first carbon and on the 5th carbon. So ATP utilized in this process and this process is known as phosphorylation. It also called as activation. It is also called as activation of ribulose 5-phosphate. So ribulose 5-phosphate activates to initiate the cycle. It activates into ribulose 1/5 diphosphate of 6 molecule. It also called as RUBP. It also called as RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate. Either diphosphate, either bisphosphate, the same thing. Ribulose bisphosphate. The first step is phosphorylation. Then is ribulose 1/5 diphosphate, which is the 5 carbon product, 6 molecule of 5 carbon product, react with carbon dioxide which came from the atmosphere through the stomata. Carbon dioxide enter into mesophyll cell of leaf through the stomata. Here 6 carbon dioxide unite with the ribulose 1/5 diphosphate and the enzyme work in this is Rubisco enzyme. The full form is Rubisco is ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. So Rubisco enzyme carboxylation process. Rubisco enzyme react the carbon dioxide with ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. The process, it fixes the carbon dioxide. That is why it is called carboxylation, to attach the carbon dioxide with the ribulose 1,5 diphosphate. If 5 carbon sugar ribulose unite with one more carbon, each ribulose unite with one more carbon, then temporarily hexose 1,6-diphosphate hexose substance is found, which is temporary substance and it is highly unstable. Resultant, it dissociates into 12 molecule of 3-phosphoglyceric acid, which is 3 carbon compound. If 6 molecule of 6 carbon compound is there, when it divide into 3 carbon containing compound, how many molecule will develop? 12 molecule. So 12 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid is produced by this unstable compound, and this one is the PGA, is the first stable compound of C3 cycle. So in the books this step is omitted because this is unstable compound. So here for a reference I have written this, but in exam you need not to specify this step. So ribulose 1,5 diphosphate with the carbon dioxide in the presence of Rubisco turn into 12 molecule of 3-phosphoglyceric acid, which is 3 carbon compound and the first stable compound. So the first stable compound is with 3 carbon. That is why it is called C3 cycle. The first stable compound is made up of with 3 carbon compound phosphoglyceric acid. That is why this cycle is known as C3 cycle. Again, this 3-PGA, 3-phosphoglyceric acid. It means glyceric acid which contain phosphate group on its 3rd carbon. 3-phosphoglyceric acid 12 molecule हो गए. 6 molecule is there. 6 molecule with 5 carbon. 1 carbon you attach with that. Then the hexose molecule, 6 molecule of hexose compound, but it is unstable. Again it break down into 12 molecule of 3 carbon compound. Now this PGA, 3-PGA convert into 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. Again they utilize ATP and turn into ADP. This process is again known as phosphorylation. Phosphorylation, because here the 3-PGA becomes 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. That means here the phosphate group is found only on a 3rd carbon. Now after using the ATP, 1 and 3rd both the carbon unite with the phosphate group. So 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, which is 3 carbon compound, 12 molecules. By using NADPH2, which were previously developed into light reaction, NADPH2 hydrogen utilized, it becomes NADP and this acid turns into aldehyde. So 12 molecule of 3-PGAL, phosphoglyceraldehyde. Phosphoglyceraldehyde, glyceric acid turned into aldehyde. And this process NADPH2 is utilized, they become NADP and hydrogen, 12 hydrogen unite with the acid and turn into aldehyde. So 12 molecule of 3-PGL, 3rd carbon phosphate group is attached and aldehyde, 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde is produced, which is again 3 carbon compound. 12 molecule of PgAl molecule, out of 12 molecule, 2 molecule of 3-PgAl in the presence of aldolase enzyme converts into 1 molecule of fructose 1,6-diphosphate. 3 carbon compound, 2 molecule of 3 carbon compound, total 6 carbon is there. So 1 molecule of fructose means 6 carbon compound, 1 molecule of fructose 1,6-diphosphate is produced. Which one is the first 6 carbon compound? It converts into 1 molecule of fructose 6-phosphate. It converts into 1 molecule of this fructose 1,6-diphosphate convert into fructose 6-phosphate. Fructose 6-phosphate convert into glucose 6-phosphate and glucose 6-phosphate convert into glucose. So 2 molecule of phosphoglyceraldehyde turn into 1 molecule of glucose by different sequential reactions. What about the 10 molecule of 3-PgAl? This 10 molecule of PgAl, this 10 molecule of 3-PgAl to utilize into glucose formation, 10 molecule of 3-PgAl by different sequential reactions convert into again 6 molecule of ribulose 5-phosphate. So many sequential reaction are found in this. This is called regeneration. Regeneration of ribulose 5-phosphate by 10 molecule of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. This phosphoglyceraldehyde is the 3 carbon compound. These are 10 molecule, and out of this 10 molecule, 6 molecule of ribulose 5-phosphate is produced. Which one? Which is the first reactive substances of the stroma. Again, this ribulose 5-phosphate activate by using ATP, and again they start reacting with the carbon dioxide and the cycle goes on. The one cycle run and produce only one glucose molecule. This one is called C3 cycle or Calvin cycle or dark reaction. Here, when glyceric acid converts into glyceraldehyde, it is called reduction. We have writing here reduction. So the 3 main processes there. The first one is carboxylation, the second one is carboxylation, the second one is reduction, and the third one is regeneration. This one is the second step. So the complete Calvin reaction mainly contains 3 main reactions. The first one is carboxylation, means the fixing of carbon dioxide from atmosphere to 3-PgA. The second one is reduction of phosphoglyceric acid into aldehyde, and the third one is regeneration of phosphoglyceraldehyde into the again previous substance ribulose 5-phosphate. We have seen this Calvin cycle or C3 cycle. In dicotyledon plant means all the pulses, maximum plant are dicotyledon. So in dicotyledon plant, Calvin cycle is running. In monocotyledon plant, Calvin cycle occur, but before the Calvin cycle there is one more cycle found, and that one is called C4 cycle. This one is also dark reaction. C4 cycle is also included in dark reaction, but that is some there is some little changes in C3 and C4 cycle. C4 cycle found in monocotyledon plant, means wheat, maize, rice, all the grains, cereals. So in cereals, what happened? We have seen in the 11th class the structure of leaf. In monocotyledon leaf, we have seen that in monocot plant, the leaf has upper and lower epidermis, and both the epidermis, between both the epidermis, equal stomata are there on both the epidermis, equal number of stomata, and the tissue between upper and lower epidermis is called mesophyll tissue. The cells between this tissue is called mesophyll tissue. Mesophyll. This one is upper epidermis and this one is lower epidermis. In monocot plant, upper and lower epidermis is same. Stomata found on both the surface. And the tissue between upper and lower epidermis is called mesophyll tissue. Mesophyll tissue contains spongy parenchyma tissue. Parenchymatous tissue. Spongy parenchymatous tissue. And this one is the bundle sheath. Bundle sheath means the envelope found around the vascular bundle. This is called bundle sheath. So carbon dioxide came from both the sides, from upper surface too and from lower surface too, because we know that carbon dioxide enter into the leaf through stomata. So in monocotyledon plant there is a mesophyll tissue and bundle sheath cells are specific. How they are specific? Mesophyll tissue contains the chloroplast. Mesophyll cells contains the chloroplast with more and more grana or less stroma. Stroma very less or absent. But in bundle sheath cells there is less grana and more stroma is found. So in monocot leaf, mesophyll cell are found with more grana chloroplast, and in bundle sheath the chloroplast having more stroma, less grana. We know that grana carry light reaction and dark reaction carry in the stroma. This kind of arrangement of chloroplast in monocotyledon's leaf is called Krenz anatomy. It is called Krenz anatomy. Krenz anatomy means there are chloroplasts of different type found in the mesophyll and in the bundle sheath. Bundle sheath means a sheath, a layer found around the vascular tissue, xylem and phloem. So bundle sheath. So stroma. So basically dark reaction takes place into stroma. So here the Kelvin reaction will occur into stroma. Dark reaction means Kelvin reaction. So Kelvin reaction will occur in stroma. Then what will happen into the mesophyll tissue? Because mesophyll tissue is more in contact with the stomata. So first carbon dioxide enter from stomata and they are facing mesophyll tissue, mesophyll cells. So first carbon dioxide has to be received by mesophyll tissue, by mesophyll cells. Resultant, the carbon dioxide firstly absorbed by the mesophyll tissue, and then mesophyll tissue provide this carbon dioxide to bundle sheath, because stroma is more in bundle sheath. So this anatomy is known as Krenz anatomy, and The first carbon dioxide fixation takes place into mesophyll cells, and the first stable compound by fixing with carbon dioxide is with 4 carbon. That is why it is called C4 cycle. So C4 cycle is another kind of dark reaction which is found in the monocot leaf, and the first stable compound is with 4 carbon. In Kelvin reaction we have seen that first stable compound with 3 carbon. That is why it is called C3 cycle. But here the first stable compound with 4 carbon, oxaloacetic acid. It is also called Hatch-Slack pathway because it evolved by Hatch-Slack and the leaves with Crane's anatomy. C4 cycle specifically found in monocotyledons plant because of Crane's anatomy. The cycle begins with mesophyll cells where the grana is more, bundle sheath cell where the stroma is more. So, atmospheric carbon dioxide firstly invade into mesophyll cells. Mesophyll cells already innervated with the pyruvic acid, which is 3 carbon compound. So, mesophyll cells already contain pyruvic acid in their cytoplasm, which is 3 carbon compound. It takes energy from ATP and converts into ADP, and it becomes phosphoenol pyruvate. So basically it called as activation of pyruvic acid to receive the carbon dioxide. So the pyruvic acid convert into phosphoenol pyruvate, 3 carbon compound. Now this phosphoenol pyruvate react with the carbon dioxide of atmosphere. Carbon dioxide of atmosphere through the stomata enter into mesophyll cell, react with the phosphoenol pyruvate and becomes OAA, oxaloacetic acid, which is 4 carbon compound and which is the first stable compound. So the carbon dioxide fixes in phosphoenol pyruvate, and the enzyme utilizing this is called PEPcase, phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase, PEPcase enzyme. So oxaloacetic acid, which is the 4 carbon compound, this is the stable compound. That is why the cycle is known as C4 cycle. Here this oxaloacetic acid converts into malic acid. Again the malic acid is with 4 carbon compound. Malic acid enter into bundle sheath cell. So now this malic acid transferred into bundle sheath cell from mesophyll. From mesophyll cells, malic acid enter into bundle sheath cell. Again malic acid dissociate into 2, carbon dioxide and pyruvic acid in the bundle sheath. So the 4 carbon containing oxaloacetic acid converts into malic acid. Malic acid enter into bundle sheath cell, and after entering it dissociates. Again it releases this carbon dioxide which it have carried with the atmosphere. So this carbon dioxide is released and it becomes again pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid back to the mesophyll cells, and the carbon dioxide is released in the cytoplasm of bundle sheath cell. We know that in bundle sheath there is chloroplast with more stroma. So this carbon dioxide is again utilized into Kelvin cycle or C3 cycle. There is already present ribulose bisphosphate, which we have seen previously. In the presence of Rubisco enzyme, this carbon dioxide react with RUBP and produce the stable compound 3-PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, which is 3 carbon compound. That is why it is called C3 cycle. And again 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, PGAL by sequential reaction produce glucose, and again the PGAL molecule regenerates into RUBP, which we have seen previously, the C3 cycle. So carbon dioxide fixed into Kelvin reaction in the bundle sheath. So fixation of carbon dioxide takes place two times. First in mesophyll by oxaloacetic acid and second in bundle sheath cell by RUBP into PGA. So two times carbon fixation is occur in monocotyledon plant. This is called C4 cycle found in the monocotyledon plant. C4 cycle, there is a question in board classes, differentiate between C3 and C4 cycle. So by studying these two cycle, we can easily find out that what is the difference between C3 and C4 cycle. So C3 cycle found into dicotyledon and C4 cycle found into monocotyledon. In C3 cycle, the first stable compound is with 3 carbon, that is phosphoglyceric acid, and in C4 cycle, the first stable compound is oxaloacetic acid, which is 4 carbon. In C3 cycle, the carbon dioxide fixation takes place only once, but in C4 cycle, carbon dioxide fixation takes place twice, in mesophyll and in bundle sheath. In C3 cycle, there is no any Kranz anatomy, but in C4, there is a Kranz anatomy found in the monocot plant leaf. In C3 cycle, the main enzyme is Rubisco, while in C4 cycle, the main enzyme is peptidase enzyme. Rubisco and peptidase. The main enzyme is peptidase. The second enzyme is Rubisco. But in C3 cycle, the main enzyme is Rubisco. C3 cycle are sensitive with high temperature, but C4 cycle is productive in high temperature too. It can effectively run on about 72 degrees centigrade temperature too. But in C3 cycle, on a high temperature, this Rubisco enzyme turns into oxygenase enzyme, because we know that Rubisco work as both carboxylase and oxygenase. Carboxylase as well as oxygenase. In the high temperature or in the less concentration of carbon dioxide, this Rubisco enzyme work as oxygenase at high temperature, and in the less concentration of carbon dioxide, it becomes oxygenase and it start oxidizing the chloroplast and chlorophyll molecule. So the Rubisco enzyme is in a high temperature and in a low concentration of carbon dioxide start working as oxygenase and not working as carboxylase. So food do not produce and the already produced food start oxidizing by Rubisco. So this is unproductive part of this C3 cycle. Rubisco enzyme in the high temperature and in less concentration. Already the carbon dioxide is very less in atmosphere, 0.03%. We know that. So the carbon dioxide is already less in environment. At that case, temperature is going up and the Rubisco start oxidizing agent other than the carboxylation. So Rubisco enzyme perform the action of photorespiration. Although it is utilized in the carbon fixation enzyme, but at the high temperature it starts photorespiration. Reversal work. Respiration means catalytic process. So it starts dissociating the chlorophyll. So product will be less. So photorespiration takes place in C3 plant. But what happened with C4 plant? First, carbon dioxide is binding with this peptidase, phosphoenol pyruvate in the presence of peptidase. And what about the peptidase? Peptidase is only carboxylase enzyme. It never oxidizes. So At high temperature too, pepcase perform only carboxylation, not oxygenation. So, pepcase at a high temperature or in a low concentration of carbon dioxide always perform the carboxylation action. So, it fix the carbon dioxide into OAA and it provide to bundle sheath by a chain of malic acid. Bundle sheath cell never face less concentration of carbon dioxide because the carbon dioxide is continue coming from mesophyll cell through the malic acid. So here at a high temperature too, this Rubisco do not work as oxygenase because the carbon dioxide concentration is maintained by the mesophyll cell. So here the Rubisco enzyme in bundle sheath never perform the oxidation and the production is more is as compared to C3 cycle. So here is some more important C3 C4 differences are there. So C4 cycle is more productive than C3 cycle. Here is we have discussed dark reaction of photosynthesis. Light reaction we have discussed in previous video. Here dark reaction and C4 cycle. C3 and C4 both are kind of dark reaction.